morning! What a happy day! It's a beautiful morning, and Mayra is ready for a fun adventure.
Good morning, Mayra. Would you like to bake a yummy cake with me?
Yes! Cake!
Baking together is fun and helps us learn new things.
First, we wash our hands before cooking. Wash! Clean hands help keep our food safe. Now you're a little baker. I'm ready! Every little baker wears an apron to stay clean. Gather everything we need. Milk, eggs, flour, sugar, strawberries. Look at all the yummy ingredients. What color is the bowl? Blue! Great job! Learning colors can be fun while baking. 1 cup of flour. 1. Counting helps us bake the perfect cake. Now let's add some sugar. Sweet sugar. Sugar makes the cake sweet and delicious. I'll crack the eggs carefully. Yay! Some kitchen jobs are best done by grown-ups. Now it's time to mix. Mix. The cake batter is coming together. What will happen next? Now, let's pour the splash of milk. Splish, splash. Milk helps make our cake batter soft and smooth.
Clean up, wipe it all away, making everything today.
Pop! I got one.
Good catch, little star. Cleaning up can be a fun game. Which shape matches our cake pan?
Heart shape, just like love.
Learning our shapes is extra fun when we
Let's
do
bake.
the cake dance while we wait.
Twirl, twirl, twirl.
Dancing makes the time fly by fast.
Look, Mommy.
It's growing bigger. It sure is. The heat makes it fluffy. Look at that.
Smells like vanilla.
That means it's almost ready.
The timer sang. Cake is done.
Hooray! Let's go check. It's time to check our cake. Remember, only grown-ups touch the hot oven.
I watch from here. Blow. Cool down, happy cake.
Just a few minutes to let it cool, sweetheart.
It looks so pretty and yummy.
You helped bake a masterpiece, Mayra.
Look at our beautiful...
Look, Mayra. Pretty pink strawberry frosting.
Pink, my favorite color.
Fluffy pink frosting will make our heart smooth it left, smooth it right.
Swirl it, pretty pink.
Spread the frosting nice and smooth, covering every single spot. A little candle to light up our special creation.
Pretty light, glow.
The cake is ready!
Who wants a slice?
Now it's time to eat.
Yay! Let's call the family and